catch that vet. All right, guys, welcome back to another video. We got a fuzzy little mic now. Hopefully the audio quality is a little bit better. We got a point of view video of driving my Stage 1 Fiesta ST. It's 2015 with the pops loaded on. I have a 3-inch racing intercooler, Mountoon induction hose in between a Whoosh crossover pipe and also a Whoosh ram air intake. Just ordered it's like an eBay short shifter. Works perfectly fine. It's super fun. It makes the car feel so much better. We have a Cobb access port I don't know, what is it, V2 or something like that. 3-inch exhaust and stock downpipe. We got a downpipe on the way. We got some other stuff on the way. It's going to be catted. I don't want to do the whole catless choking on my own exhaust fumes type deal. So for this video, we're going to be driving around town, kind of give you my overview a little bit. You guys can see how the car kind of handles with the Stage 1. Super fun to drive. Stage 2 is even better. I had Stage 2, but it was Cobb over the shelf. I really like to stick with Dizzy. Love his tunes, and it sounds awesome. So the pops are low intensity right now, but the Stage 2 that I'm going to order, or that I did order, is high intensity. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be a little bit crazier, especially when we get the downpipe on there. Kind of just some driving clips, kind of like a little vlog type deal. So we run into a vet and we race a vet, so you guys can see how that turns out. And hope you guys like it. Let's get into it. Oh my God. Holy crap, I hope that picked up as good as it did. As good as it sounded. Holy crap. That was so loud. Honestly scared me. Buddy, he did not look happy. Let's get some food. There we go. This is it. We got NJ's finest gas station food. Anyone else drink hot chocolate or coffee with their straw? I get a lot of flack for it, but I don't know. Oh, look at that. Looking so good. Oh. Yeah, we got the sweet cream cheese pretzel. This is the go-to. Of course, the best chocolate. Kit Kat and Reese's. All right, let's get out of here. Wawa parking lots. Look at that. Drive by, 2 people instantly put their reverse lights on. I swear, it's a death trap in here. You gotta be on your A game. Oh, here's our man's Christus. 9th gen Civic, looking clean. Yeah, buddy. Windows down, music on. I'm gonna take you guys over the bridge, and there's a lookout spot that I've been meaning to check out. Maybe I'll get some photos there. So let's go over the bridge. There's a couple little fun turns, so we'll go out that way. Beautiful day out. Come around into here. Oh, these people are going to be in the way. What is that, 3rd? Come around. Beautiful. Enjoy the scenery, and then just and there's the popcorn. What is this guy doing? Excuse me, sir. Light. Then get a little popcorn under the bridge. Oh, man, if these would be so fun. I need to get to a track. This would be sick. So sketchy though through here. I think one of the first times I got pulled over was in here, and I was not doing anything wrong. I think I had a air freshener on my, just like this, and they didn't like it. Obstruction of view. Speed limit's like 12 out here. Check this out, guys. This is a view. Yeah, this is a sick spot. Ocean's mad today. Kind of scared to pull up in there. Look at that. It's like jumping out. Yikes. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's getting all, oh. It's getting the whole side of my car wet. It needs a car wash anyways. Let's get out and get a couple photos, huh? Wow. Oh, check that out. Wow. Alright, he's out of the way. Wow, it looks so cool. So sick. Happy I made the trip down here. All right, it's getting late. It's 5 o'clock. I'm done chilling here. Finishing my snacks and some editing some photos and posting on some stuff on the gram. So I'm gonna head back home, head back over the bridge, give you guys a couple more clips, and then we'll call it. All right, let's get out of here. Hopefully this one's not a one-way. Every other street here is a one-way. That's pretty nice. Nice little C6. Where's IC5? I was driving one time, fresh on my license, thought I was, you know, like everyone, you know all the rules, you know what to do, and you know, you're never wrong, you're an excellent driver. Made a turn, driving down the road, it was somewhere down here, over the bridge, and someone's yelling at me, screaming out the window, and I'm like, what? Like I yell at them all mad, and they're like, you're driving the wrong way down a one-way road. And needless to say, it definitely was humbled. This little on-ramp. See if I can catch that vet. Be a nice little race. Probably not, but look at that thing. That's sweet. See if we get a little rip. Come on, buddy. Yeah, he's cool. Oh, there he goes. Little rip. That's fun. Little rip with the vet. He walked me, but that's obvious. That's expected. That was fun. Winded out in second gear, and it's not long. It's not a long gear. I feel like third gear pulls are always better. I can get a nice travel in that RPM range. Yes, I love that. Love it. I mean, he wasn't in the wrong at all. I just kind of wanted to hit the gas a little bit. Well, it was fun. Wanted to do one of these for a while. This was a cool, it was a cool, fun, chill hangout video, and this is basically a show, a representation of what Dizzy Tuning's stage 2 tune with the pops. Excuse me, with the pops is like. And it was fun. I had a good time. If you guys want to see more of these, let me know. Hopefully you liked them. I had a good time filming it, and I'm gonna go put it together. I'm gonna edit it, probably drop it next week. By the time you guys see this, I think I'll have another video out on my brother's cross track that's finished, so stay tuned for that. Well, you would have already seen that. Thanks for sticking with me today. That was fun. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. See ya. Dude, get out of my shot. You're gonna crap on me? It's got diarrhea.